second one.
Okay, it's done. We just 3D printed this today, and Myra says she can solve any pattern I'll give her. So today we are going to test that.
I can do any pattern easy peasy.
We'll see about that. We'll play 3 rounds, and each round will be harder than the previous one. Let's go. You look at this card and you have to solve this.
Okay. It's not good. Well, like it needs to go back and like red's supposed to come back and like purple's supposed to go with green and yellow has to go with red and I know it has to go back and red has to come with
You done?
yeah.
Let me see. Are you really done?
Yeah.
Yes, you did it. Good job, Myra. I'll mix all of this up.
Okay.
Let me show it to the camera.
Is that hard or easy?
That's a medium one.
I can sort easily. Yellow. So this is on paper clothes. I'll show you that. No, then I have to put 2 reds.
It's not done yet.
This one is done. No. This is like, put it here, put it, that one was wrong. You have to put yellow. Not that way. Do that.
Yes, you did it. But this time we will both solve it.
Okay.
It's gonna be a race. Let me scramble first. Scramble. Okay, let me show this pattern. And your time starts now.
Okay. Your time starts now.
Okay. Let me see. I need yellow here. Hey, I'm already done with the first line. Oh. Let's see the second line. I need yellow.
Yellow.
Wait.
Daddy.
Okay, I'm done with the second line as well. The first one. No. Done with the second one, Myra. I think I'll win.
I know that. And then I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Nah.
I'm mostly done.
No. See. Red, we done.
Hey, don't touch, don't distract me. Are you done?
Yes. Why do you want to put 2 eggs?
Done? No.
No. Silly goose. Silly goose, are you?
Hey, I'm done. See?
Yeah. I win.
I win.
No.
Who won? You won.
Yay! I win. I'm the champion. I have a trophy.
Alright, guys, Myra 3D printed this puzzle herself and then beat me at it. Should I be worried?
Yeah.
If you want to play this puzzle with Myra, comment below. Which round do you think you could solve? Easy, medium, or hard? Bye bye.
Bye.